Hello everyone, here another video to explain how to enter data for the Transect visit, but this time to explain the new functions and layout that we updated on the eBMS website in case there are some doubts or we don't know exactly how to introduce the data. So let's just go to My Data and Transect Works, where normally you include the visit of your Transect. So we are in my Transect Walk page where we include the different visits of your Transect, and here you can see there are several visits, and let's just include a new visit the 31st of May, for example. Just click on the green part, and then I'm going to show you the new functions we incorporated and the new layout. In this case, this page is the same, and here, well, we select the transit we want, in this case test Belarus, is just a test, and then the temperature was quite a bit high, then the time you did it, when you finish, in this case half an hour, the sun, the percentage of sun or cloud can be in this page or by sections in the next page. The wind direction, not compulsory, but we can include it. And the wind speed, that in this case, yes, is compulsory, is based on the Beaufort scale, so we can include it. And then just go down and you see there is a part for the note as before, and the new part is only to include the possibility of include photos of your visit that day, just to show if something happened to the different parts of your Transect, or to corroborate something, you could include it. Then just click on next, and we move to the next page, where is the one that really changed. Okay, so the first new things that changed on the website is this message that tells you that is a mandatory section data. So that means, here say you must enter the highlight section related data before you may enter any species count. What exactly mean this? We can close it. It's like these fields that are highlighted in red are compulsory and we need to fill it. So basically the percentage of sun. So we can just do the sun, and then automatically the clouds will be filling, and then we are missing reliability. What is this? This is in case the conditions were not perfectly good to count butterflies because of any reason. I don't know, there were cows or animals around me, or we couldn't enter because we were not able to enter in a private land or whatever. Then in that case you could include unsuitable condition, unable to survey. But in general you have suitable conditions, so then you put it, even that can be different for different sections. And okay, this is okay, now it's no red, so it's correct. But where are the species before the whole list of butterfly species appearing? Well, this is something new we created here under butterfly. There is a new question, any butterflies. So that means is, did you see any butterfly in your visit? In this case we click, and main meanings yes, we see butterflies, and then this whole grid will appear as normal before. So the species that you known on this site, but you can change it to a species I've recorded before. So in this case nothing appear, but it could appear your list, or even known one. So I don't want anyone, but it will allow you to include the new species here in this bar. So I stay in species known on this side, and then you could include any new species that you want on the new list, and highlight it to start entering data for any section. So imagine so this was my numbers, and then automatically you see how it's filled, and you have the possibilities, this is new, to eliminate any of these species because there was an error or you don't have them anymore, so you could do it. And also a new part that it was before included, but in a different, now it's a different layout. You could order the species by taxonomic order, like it's right now, it's highlighted in blue, or by species name. For example, I like it to have it alphabetically, so I leave it like that. Okay, I continue, and then you see you have the total per species and per section, and then the final total that you have for the whole visit. No? So here are the butterflies, and another new thing is that you could include moths for the section. So here it happens the same. You have the question any moths seen during the visit. If you click on yes, then it will appear this part, and then it will allow you to enter any species you like, and you could write it and then put the species that all the abundances that you found. And so here the new part, the butterfly section and the moth section. If you just recorded butterflies, then you just unclick this, and if you didn't see any butterfly, that means that you don't click here, and it's understand this visit it was empty. But if you have any butterfly, just click on the blue, click here, and then the normal grid will appear. You just need to finish if your visit was done, and then the visit will be saved as normal and appear in your My Transect work. No? So here we have it. I hope this was useful for explaining the new layout and function that we have on the Transect visits on the eBMS. Thank you.